It would be very helpful if you first try to solve the problem yourself before watching this video.
Question 163. Find the value of k such that the tangent line of the graph of y at k and k minus 1 are parallel. If two tangent lines are parallel, then the slopes are equal to each other, right? So we can write y prime, which is the slope of the graph of y, at k is equal to slope at k minus 1. They are equal to each other, right? So y prime is equal to 12x squared minus 6. So y prime k is equal to 12k squared minus 6. What about y prime k minus 1? That's 12 times k minus 1 squared minus 6, right? So what we can do is we can set this expression is equal to this, right? So we have 12k squared minus 6 is equal to 12 times k minus 1 squared minus 6. So add 6, right? Then we have 12k squared is equal to 12 times k minus 1 squared. So divided by 12, right? Cancel this 12 out. So k squared is equal to k minus 1 squared. So far so good. So k squared is equal to k squared minus 2k plus 1. Eliminate k squared. So we have 2k is equal to 1. Then k is equal to 1/2. So the value of k is 1/2.